Josh and I are on our way. From the airport, we're heading to the new Ingram Micro offices, and we're about to learn how to make cocktails and pizzas with the acclaimed New Zealand chef Simon Gault. Josh is a proficient cook. He has Thermomix, yeah. So you can probably make pizzas in the Thermomix. Josh, you know, what are you going to take home into your Thermomix after today's experience, do you think? Look, you'll find a link below for Josh's referral code for Thermomix if you're interested.
Yes. My name's Josh, and this is my first drink of the day.
Well, hopefully I'll have some tips on how to make some tasty pizza.
Hi, my name's Josh, and this is my second drink.
My culinary experience kind of extends to 2-minute noodles and toast at the moment, so
Right.
I'm hoping to extend my abilities by the end of today.
Right, back to Pizzagate. We're down in the basement now, ready to make our pizzas. We've just had a lesson from Simon Gault. Just going to cut through to Josh, who's going to tell us all about what he learnt.
My name's Josh, this is my third drink.
And how about the cocktails? What's your thoughts?
Old fashioned is my go-to at the moment, so
Right.
I think if we could, and margarita, so if we can extend that.
This is my fourth drink. And my name's Josh.
Maybe a
And both of those can be made in the Thermomix.
My name's Josh, and this is my fifth drink. Drink number 6. Drink number 7.
We'll keep you posted and let you know if Josh is still standing at the end of the day after he's consumed his share of the cocktails.